there's a calm corner. If we need some quiet time, we go to the calm corner. We grab a cushion and read a book. We might feel sad or angry or just need some time out. Sometimes a friend comes to help us feel better. How are you feeling? Angry. We have a calm box. It has lots of things to help us calm down. Sometimes you can pick a toy to play with. My favourite toy is the unicorn. Playing with my friend makes me feel much better.
How are you feeling now, Charlie? Is there anything on here that you need, Charlie? Do you think that the toy helped you feel better? Yeah? Do you think you're ready to come back and do some work now? Okay, come on, let's go.
I'm glad we've got the calm corner. I'm ready to join the class again.